Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar and to like an exciting song in some way. It's called Invasion from Iniko. Very strong song, strong message, like the end of the world message. So yeah, Iniko, new to Growing Guitar, probably not new to you. But yeah, Invasion, let's take a look at this one. We have no need for any capo here, only 3 chords and 1 string pattern. So let's go into the chords. E minor. All right, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have C next. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is the B7. So that's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below you have to, and then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on B. All right, so E minor, C, and B7, that's what we're gonna work with. And we're gonna look at the strumming pattern. It's basically 2 different parts. They're very, very similar, so almost 2 identical strumming patterns, but there's a small difference there between this 2 parts. So if we're gonna grab the E minor first, and we're gonna start with down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, up first, and then clap, up, like this. Okay, so down, up, then clap, up, down, up. Right, that's the first part. Then the second part goes in the exact same way, but just imagine you take away the first down. That down is instead a pause in between the parts. So it starts with up, okay? So imagine take away the first down in part 1, then the rest will be the same. So it starts with up, clap, up, down, up. So. And if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, up, clap, up, down, up, pause, up, clap, up, down, up. So that pause replaces the down that you should have played if you played in the exact same way as part 1. That is a pause instead in part 2, and that gives us the certain rhythm that goes like this. For 1 string around. And a couple of rounds to get the feeling for it goes. So we are ready for the 2 different parts to handle here. That's the verse play and the chorus play. So verse play is basically to play E minor 2 full string rounds. That means both part 1 and part 2, 2 full rounds of that, and then C 2 full rounds of that. And you go just back and forth. So E minor 2, C2 like this. Back. C. And so on. All right, so there you have the verse play. Now over to chorus play, and you continue with the same strumming. Now you're gonna play E minor 2 strumming rounds, 2 full strumming rounds, then C. You're gonna play 1 full string round plus part 1. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up. That's 1 round. Plus then down, up, clap, up, down, up. And in that pause then, you switch to the B7 and fulfill the 2nd round there with part 2. Up, clap, up, down, up. So C is 1 full round plus part 1, then B7 part 2. So 1 chorus round goes like this. E minor 2, C 1 full plus part 1, and B7 part 2. there you have the chorus play. Wow, great song from Iniko, Invasion. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar, and that would make my day. Thank you so much, and play tuned.